5 secret codes your phone is hiding. Unlock these hidden tricks right now.
Think you know your phone inside out? Well, today I'm going to show you 5 secret codes your phone hides from you. Codes that unlock hidden menus and features most people never discover. Dial #06 and instantly your phone reveals its IMEI number. That's your device's unique identity. Super useful if your phone ever gets lost or stolen. On many Android phones, dialing #0 opens a secret hardware test menu. You can check your screen, speakers, and sensors. Want to know if your calls are being forwarded? Dial *#21. Dial that code and you'll unlock a hidden menu with detailed network info. It's like peeking under the hood of your phone. Finally, 2767385 hashtag is a powerful one. It triggers a full factory reset. Warning, this wipes everything. So only use it if you're ready to start fresh. So those are 5 secret codes your phone hides from you. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and tech tricks.